Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to draw a plane in a cubic unit cell when the Miller indices is given. Okay, now let's look at the first one. First we know that this is a plane by looking at this bracket. If it's a square bracket, it means it's just a point. If it's a round bracket, it means it's a plane. Since this is a round bracket, we know this is a plane. Okay, now whenever we have Miller indices, what we have to do is we have to find the inverse of that one, and then using that one we have to draw the plane. Now if we take the inverse of this 0, that's going to give us infinity. Infinity mean that point, like the plane touches all the points, or it touches none of the points. There are two possibilities. Okay, and if we take the inverse of 1, that's going to be just 1. It means, like, when it's infinity, it means it's parallel to the x-axis. Okay, that's the thing we have to know. And inverse of 1 is 1, and inverse of 2 is going to be half. Now let's go ahead and draw this one. Let's forget about this one for now. Let's draw y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 is right here, right? Each of them represent 1. So y is equal to 1 is right here, and z is equal to half is somewhere here. So this is parallel to x-axis, so we are going to have a line like this, and the plane is going to look like this. This is our plane. Here you can see this plane is touching none of the x values, right? And if we bring this plane a little bit down, it's going to touch all the point of x-axis. That's why when it's infinity, it can touch all the points, or it can touch none of the points. Now let's look at this one here. Here we have 2, 1 bar, 1. If we take the inverse of 2, that's going to be 1 over 2. 1 bar mean whenever we have a bar, that means that's a negative sign, right? So if we take inverse of -1, that's going to be just -1. And inverse of 1, that's going to be just 1. Half in the x-axis, so half is some in the midway. And -1 is, this is +1. -1 is going to be opposite direction right here. And c is equal to 1. So we are going to have z right here. And if we connect all these points, that's going to be the plane. Okay, so this is going to be the plane for this one, for the given Miller indices. And that's how we draw a plane in a cubic unit cell when the Miller indices is given. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.